In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create longer AI-generated videos in the Meta AI app. To get started, open the Meta AI app from the Play Store and sign into your account. Make sure you're fully logged in before moving on because that gives you access to the chat features you'll need for generating your video ideas smoothly. Once you're inside the app, tap the chat box at the bottom of the screen. This is where you'll enter the prompt that tells Meta AI what kind of video you want to create. The more detailed your prompt is, the better your result will usually be, so it's important to be clear and specific right from the start. When writing your prompt, describe the entire video idea, not just the main subject. Include the subject of the video, the location, what actions are happening, how the camera should move, and the overall style you want. For example, instead of asking for something very short and vague, try giving Meta AI a full scene to work with so it can understand the flow and visual direction of the video. If your goal is to generate a longer video, you should clearly say that in the prompt. Add phrases like create an extended cinematic video, long continuous scene, or a detailed video sequence with multiple actions. These kinds of instructions help Meta AI understand that you want more than a brief result and that the video should feel more developed and complete. A useful example would be something like this. Create an extended cinematic video of a person exploring a futuristic city, walking through different areas, interacting with the environment, with smooth camera movements and realistic details. This kind of prompt works well because it includes a subject, a setting, actions, camera direction, and style all in one request. After entering your prompt, send it and wait for Meta AI to process your request. Give it a moment to generate the result. If the video it creates is still too short, don't worry. You can improve your prompt by adding more scenes, more actions, and a clearer timeline of what should happen from beginning to end. This gives the AI more structure and more material to build from. You can also continue developing the idea by sending a follow-up prompt based on the previous result. Ask Meta AI to continue or expand the scene so the concept becomes longer and more detailed. Once you get the result you want, use the available options in the app to save or share the generated content. That's it. With stronger prompts and a little refinement, you can create much longer and more impressive AI videos in Meta AI.